Welcome to Spring Papers, where I share productivity app tutorials, ADHD hacks, free printables, and occasional hauls or deep dives to help you become the best version of yourself. What is Obsidian?
Obsidian Intro. The Obsidian app is a note-taking app that can also be used to help organize your life and function as a second brain. It can be used like Notion, but is privacy-respecting. Obsidian is free to use for personal use and $50 a year for a commercial license, and separately has paid add-ons for sync, although you can sync for free using iCloud if you have Apple devices, and for additional publishing features. I have linked to an Obsidian cheat sheet in the description below with a list of what button or buttons to press on your keyboard to make checklists, tables, get a template, and other things that I reference in my Obsidian videos.
If you only shop for gifts on Amazon, it's easy to go into your purchase history and see what you bought for people for their birthday, anniversary, wedding, graduation, first communion, Christmas, etc. If you shop at multiple stores and or make handmade gifts, it can be hard to remember what you already got someone in past years, or even months ago. This can be especially true if you have ADHD. Several years ago, I started keeping a log of what I bought people. I do a separate list for Christmas, but the easiest way is to combine them. If you already use Obsidian, making the list in Obsidian is a great way to be able to find your list later. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. It encourages the YouTube algorithm to show you similar videos and helps the channel. Always remember that you as a person matter.